More wiring on lights, transferring over to LEDs. These are what are these lights called?
What?
What are the lights? Are they running lights? Are they
Yeah,
drive?
they're running lights.
So people can see you?
Yeah.
Don't pull too much.
Yeah, I'm wondering how much wire I got in here.
Now all of these did work, right?
No.
No, not all of them worked.
There was a red. Hey, look! I found the cigar I was looking for the other day. There was a red working, not working, and then this one here didn't work.
Is it blown?
Hmm?
Is it blown? The one that was here? Is the light bad or is
I
this?
don't know. We're gonna see.
So
Hopefully
this one
it
didn't
just
work.
goes- Yeah. That one don't work.
That one doesn't work?
That one there doesn't work.
Okay.
Might have the wires reversed.
You and reversing wires.
Well, it's not as simple. See, that one works. This one don't.
This one did though.
I thought it did. It don't now. So it's gotta get fixed anyway. That one works. Try that wire backwards. There could be a wiring problem I don't know about. I just saw one without a cover on it. I figured it'd be the first one I try to fix.
Questioning whether we've wired them backwards again.
Because I do that.
You're good at that.
Yeah. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna. Might have to go inside the fender.
That doesn't sound like fun. Going inside the fender. And another wired backwards.
Touch the wires, see if they're hot.
No!
Meatball will do it.
Well, I'm not having a... No. Yeah, he would, but it's not happening.
So I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna have to put it together inside there.
Oh, to get it pulled through?
Mm-hmm.
So what'd you have done today, baby? Why do you have Band-Aids on your shoulders?
Band-Aids?
Yeah.
I had a cortisone shot in each shoulder.
How did you hurt your shoulders? Care to elaborate on that story?
Well, the first one was carrying around Meatball when he was a year old because he weighed the same weight as a cinder block. That's not a joke.
That's actually accurate information.
He was 27 pounds at 1 year old. And I carried him around the whole time. And next thing I know, I came back to, where do we live again? Missouri. And I had a torn labrum. Goes.
Really?
It's not in. Don't use the knife, because I kind of keep my knife sharp.
This is too big. I just need something to poke it a little bit.
It's like lost in the middle of the fender.
That's not necessarily a bad place for it to go.
Well, as long as it still works.
You want me to try and just get this other one in the middle of the fender? Except for it can't because there's no space for it to go anywhere.
You might be able to pull some wire through. There should be enough.
Maybe that would help.
Next front one, I'm going to do the wires behind the fender.
That would probably be a better idea.
But the problem is those middle ones you're not going to be able to get up into.
Right. That should do.
What?
Yep, I think so. Oh. Once you put the screws on, it should go on tight. Being so gentle.
Well, I don't want to ram it down on top of the circuit board.
Fair enough. There you go.
Huh. You just clean that real good
When I scrub?
yeah.
Yep. Will do. Didn't loosen something up. We're good. Now, driver's side. So some of you may laugh, but our choice of trash bags on anything outdoors is the feed bags for the animals.
Not only do they make a nice seal for a broken vent cover, they make great garbage bags. Again, see which wire goes where, because you know that's me. And then I think I'm going to attempt to pull these through and make the connection inside the fender this time. Oh, let's keep those apart when we turn it on though, shall we?
It might be a good idea. We good?
We're good?
We got a light. Alright. What do you need me to do?
You need to stick your head and arm up underneath there.
Alright.
Got the wires?
Got it.
Right size, which one? Which one which?
Red to black. Black.
Blue to black. Blue to black. Well, yeah, depending on which way you're going.
Red to black. Nothing's turned on, right?
No.
Okay.
Both of them? You ready for both?
Just one. One at a time, please.
No more masks to work.
Yay!
At least for me, because I'm fully vaccinated.
So they're only making people who aren't wear masks?
Yeah.
I just dropped the wire.
But it's funny because it clearly says here, new guidance effective May 26th, applicable to all managers and BUEs, bargaining unit employees.
Okay.
Fully vaccinated individuals will not be required to wear masks.
Okay.
Employees will not be required to provide proof of vaccination.
Really?
I don't see anybody wearing a mask, regardless of whether or not they're vaccinated.
They can't ask, can they?
No! So, and the Sox couldn't complete the sweep of St. Louis. Damn it.
I'm sorry.
I was hoping they'd come back after getting swept by the Yankees and sweep St. Louis. Do the Cubs a favor.
Wire that.
Oh.
Very short wire. Front driver's side is done. Teamwork. Right?
Yep. Ugly, yucky, nice and bright.
Here. Huh?
No, of course not. You know me.
He is incapable of not completing a job that he starts, even if he doesn't feel like doing it. That is a lot of yucky.
Mm. Ugh.
So we're going to use butt connectors on the back one because it's really tight and neither one of us want to crawl under the side that's on the gravel.
Oh, and there's also no room. You see the wood frame of the RV is right there.
Oh, okay.
Just to make sure that the wiring stayed the same.
Oh, yeah. Since the colors are different. You've got white and black instead of black and blue. Think this thing has been rewired before? Or do you think that they just did that factory stupidly?
Factory stupid.
Got it. Factory stupidly. We're good. And a slight check the butt connectors is normally enough to know if you've got it secured.
I'm leaving that one long. These are slightly larger butt connectors. So I'm going to leave that one long to go all the way through the butt connector. So that adds a little bit of girth to the wiring inside the butt connector so that it won't slip out once crimped. If I can even get it in there, because this wire didn't leave me much room to work with.
Is it fighting you?
Well, I'm trying to get it, and I got to hold it in place with one hand while I grab the crimper with the other hand.
Every now and then plans go awry. We're gonna have to use a wire net. One, we're out of butt connectors, and two, for whatever reason, this wire doesn't want to stay in it. So, back to the original plan of the wire net. You're complaining about the other one, this one's even worse. That is all we have to work with. Not fun.
You little itty bitty. Ooh, those are nice and bright.
Yeah, and the lights work.